very much still has this brand new Porsche smell. Each Porsche actually, I find so far, smelling a little bit different. And now the brand new smell, I've done 639 kilometers to be exact, is starting to go a bit, which is good. It actually smelled too new. I'm super happy now I've done the first, just over 600 kilometers, because the first few days of having a brand new car is quite nerve-wracking actually. And now it's got a little bit of dirt on it, used it a bit, and I'm less worried. But the first few kilometers of having a brand new car is, can be a bit nerve-wracking at times. Anyway, out for a drive in my brand new GT4 RS, which I am just loving every second of so far. This car stuck with me like crazy ever since I first filmed it, and I just couldn't get it out of my head. So right now doing the running kilometers, something I've really missed that I didn't have on my 992 GT3, which is, a key. First of all, a much nicer shape key than the 992, which is a bit fat, and a lot of people complain about that the 992's just got a bit fat, and I get to put it in and twist it. That is something I very much missed. It is a very special experience. First Porsche RS ownership, and I'm not going to compare it too much to my GT3 actually. The most important thing for me now with having a Porsche is just that it has the GT3 engine, because for me that's the special part, right? That's the point why anyone, or for me, I would want a Porsche GT car. Is because of the engine. I never wanted a GT3 because it's just a GT3. I wanted it because of that incredible engine. So whatever car has the engine in, I definitely will at some point end up trying to own, because that's making the experience. And I just love the looks of the GT4 RS. It's so special, it's so unique. It's the absolute underdog, it's the black sheep. And I've missed that sound. Carbon airbox, one of the greatest sounds ever. As I said, when I first drove the press car from this, it reminded me of the E46 M3 CSL, which is a car that would totally be in my dream garage. So to have that M3 CSL vibe in a Porsche as well, mixed together with a GT3 engine, and on this platform, which I love, mid-engined, not overly fat like a lot of the 992's got. It's just one of the best cars ever made. It's just combining so many incredible things together, which is part of the reason why I love this car so much. And the fact, as I said, it's just a unicorn. You don't have to worry about Porsche making another one and it devaluing this, because the next one is electric, which is confirmed. And actually, in the excitement of driving my new Porsches today, I did forget to mention that today's video is sponsored by MusicBed. They've sponsored now quite a few videos of mine, and I just absolutely love the platform. I'm using it since over 2 years now. I use the music for all of my videos and all of my private client work. They do have the best music out there, and you can license it for everything, which is obviously super important today. And the music's actually so good on there, sometimes I'm just listening to the music on there, because they really do have incredible artists. Music is very important to me. It takes you along a journey and enhances your storytelling. I use it in all of my projects, just like on the opening scene of this video. On the platform, you'll find my Cars with Luke playlist with all of my top tracks. Try it for yourself and sign up for a free account today, and use the code CarsWithLuke at checkout to receive 1 month free when you purchase an annual subscription. So thanks to MusicBed for sponsoring another video. Now, continuing just with a bit of a fun drive today. That's all, as I've been using it the last week daily just for small things, because I'm trying to do now the running kilometers, so I still have a few to go before I can fully unleash that 4-litre flat 6 GT3 engine sat right behind me in a carbon airbox. But as I said, even up to 7,000 RPM, it's more than enough. Like, I don't feel the need to quite push it to 9,000 RPM just yet. One thing that gets me on this car, which is so addictive and will be really hard to ever let go of, is the downshifts. The downshifts in the GT4 RS are like no other. They are so fast, so precise, more than any other Porsche that I've ever driven. The downshifts in this are the most satisfying to date. This has the flywheel. If you don't know what a flywheel is, then, well, I guess you just had to Google it. But it's a part of the engine that spins around, and the lighter it is, the faster your car will rev. And this has the flywheel from, let's get past this biker. This has the flywheel from the Cup car. So it has a proper lightweight racing flywheel, which is part of the reason why this car revs so fast. I mean, listen to that. It's just insane. So that was just up to 6,000 RPM then. Building the revs up slowly at the moment during the running period. And in each downshift, the car is like shuddering, it's like pushing you forward. I said, I've driven quite some Porsches, and there isn't any other quite like this. As long as I've got that GT3 engine, I'm not really fussed, to be honest, what platform it's in. They are all as good as each other in their own way. This is just a whole other experience that actually can't be matched. It revs like crazy. It sounds incredible. It leaves you wanting more constantly. And I do constantly want more of this car.